In today's class, we will study review of literature 6.2 in the BMS syllabus, chapter BMS research methodology syllabus. In that sixth chapter, second topic is the review of literature. This topic comes under the research process. This is the second step in the research process. While you are doing the research, the first thing is that identifying the problem or selection of the your problem. Whenever you are selected the problem, after that the thoroughly you have to study about that your research topic or research problem in the previous literature or previous textbook, old textbook or journals or reports or previously publications. You have to study about the your topic, which topic you have selected to gain the knowledge. That's why you have to select the topic. You have to do the review of the literature. Now here the term review of literature is a review of literature. In short, it is called role, is the systematic. It is one of the systematic study in that process, in that the comprehensive, the detail we are analyzing and critical study we are doing of existing published work. Already that's those who are published work. Those are books, journals, theses or reports of related to your research problem. Which topic you are selected? Suppose you are selected the specific rheumatoid arthritis. You have to study the rheumatoid arthritis in the journals, in the thesis or the previously published book. This is the review of literature. Now, why we have to study after the selection? The main it helps the researcher to know what already studied. You will get the idea what already that completed in that topic, how much the detailed depth the explore that topic, you will get the idea. Next one, second thing is that what gap remains in that. The what are the things they are not studied or incomplete, those things, the research gaps, you will get the gaps what the previous researchers are not completed. You will get idea if you do the review of the literature. And how the present study will contribute it. It means that those previous literature journals, they will help in the present study. Those research, those previous books or literature help in the present study or present work. This is about the introduction, about the review of the literature. The next is the objectives. Why we have to do the review of the literature? The objective is to identify the research gap. Just now I told the previously how much topics are completed, how much things the previous researchers are told. The you will get the idea about the what are the gaps. You will find out the gaps and you will get the idea the actual where is the problem it is there. And next is justify new studies. By doing the research, you will get the ideas what are the new things you have to explore. You will get the by justifying, you will get the justify that new things you are doing. Next is avoid duplications of previous work. You know the previously someone did that specific topic, then you can skip or you can avoid that the duplication. Repeating again and again same topic is not good things that you can avoid if previously done. Next is to develop the theoretical framework for the study. By doing this one, you will get the base of your research. The whatever the research topic you will selected, for that you will get the base by using the review of literature. If you study these publication works, you will get the base of your topic. Next is to refine the research questions. The whatever the questions you are selected, topic you are selected, you will get the exact idea. The previous researcher how did the formulated the questions. You will also get the idea. That is the refine your research question by reading the previous book. Next is the hypothesis. Defining the hypothesis. How to make a hypothesis, how to formulate hypothesis. You will get idea by studying the previous research works, that is review of literature. The next is to inform methodology by learning from the earlier study. It means that the previously what are the methodology they are used, what are the instruments they are used, how they are collected the data, all these things you will get the idea by only method is the review of literature, the previous journals or previous thesis. You will get the idea how the previous researchers used the materials methods. As per that you can select the your materials methods or instrument, you will get the idea. The next is systematic process, the reviewing of the literature, how systematically you can do the research process. The first is the identify the key term and problem, the which topic you are selected, the keywords you have to identify. Just now I told the suppose osteoarthritis is one of the disease, you have to identify osteoarthritis, the specific drug you are taken, the specific drug name you have to select. These are the keywords, these are the key terms you have to select. Those key terms search in the literature, that is where we have to search the in the search engine, the database, journals, books or reports are there. In that database just use the keywords, that is osteoarthritis, the database. If you entered in the database you will get the previous literature about the osteoarthritis. Like that the keywords are helpful by reading the books, the specific osteoarthritis related journals you can read, books or thesis reports also you can use. The first step of the research process is the identify the keyword. Second one is the search the previous literature. The next is the evaluate and select the source for relevance and quality. Here after the searching the your literature, in that you have to evaluate the specific topic it is there with, what is the specific topic you are selected. Suppose osteoarthritis selected, related to that you can separate it, evaluate according to your topic, evaluate and select the source from the related topic, relevance and the quality. Quality is nothing but the good quality, the research work only you can select the for your research work. Like that you can utilize. The next fourth step is organize and synthesize findings. The whatever the research work you are collected, the systematically you have to write down, or the systematically you have to arrange in the form. It may be chronological order, it may be other the thematical order, the different order you can, or topic like topic points also you can arrange or organize your topic related review, that is review of literature. The next fifth is write a review. Write a review is nothing but write the summary of how many books you studied, the all that the conclusion study review you have to write the summarize. That in that while you are writing the review, first thing you have to write the introduction about the what are the introduction related topics. Next in the body in that the related whatever the things you studied, write in that body of that your review. Lastly you have to write the conclusion. This is the 3 steps review you have to write in your research, reviewing of the research. Lastly after that you have to write the citations. Citation is nothing but references with proper citations, from where you have taken the specific point you have to write the references. This is the writing of the review. This is about the systematic process. Next is the significance of the reviewing of the literature. What are the significance? Why you have to do? The next first is the provides a foundations. If you do the review of literature, you will get the foundation or base of your research work. Next is the direction, the proper direction by correct methods, how data you have to collect, what are the instruments you have to, material methods, everything. So you will get the correct direction by if you do the properly reviewing of literature direction, and also it will provide the foundation as well as the direction of the research. Next one, it helps to refine the objectives and hypotheses. If you studying this the previous work, you will get the objectives, what are the objectives of your topic, and the formulating of the hypothesis also you will get the idea. This is one of the significance of the reviewing of the literature. The next one, ensure the originality. You will get the idea what are the research gaps are there. On that you can ensure that originally what you have to do, new things you can do. And credibility of study means that the something you are doing the new things, that is the everyone should trust on you, that something new you are given to the this generation. Like that you have to, the credibility of the study you will get by only of the reviewing of the literature. This is about the review of the literature. Hope you understood the today's topic. If you understood, please share to your friends, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.